welcome to another unboxing. We have two Disney Stitch and Costume Mystery Mini Boxes by Funko to open. These are out now at limited retailers and are in the newer slim form boxes. And please do give this video a like and then consider subscribing to the channel. There are 12 in this series to collect, with 4 1 and 6s, 2 1 and 12s, 2 1 and 24s, 2 1 and 36s, and 2 1 and 72s. There are no exclusive cases for this series, so just the 12 to collect. On to box 1. It's Stitch as Simba, with clear red.
How?
And box 2. It's Stitch as Beast.
Bow!
So a 1 and 6 and a 1 and 24. There's some double dipping here, with 2 of the 1 and 6 ratio figures returning as 1 and 24 ratio variants, with clear or transparent elements. Although the clear bits are a nice touch, they really don't justify the duplication. Furthermore, without a resource like Pop Price Guide, some of the costumes are a little too vague, and once checking on PPG, you'd be left either asking yourself how you missed it, or how they expect people to guess the costume. In some cases, the sculpts are good and show further improvement, but the paint detailing does let this series down with some sloppy application. But these are a smaller mystery miniseries than the norm, with the tallest of these two standing just over 2 inches, but that's only thanks to the ears. For the Disney and Stitch faithful, this is a neat series, just lacking some conviction in the execution of the final product. And locally they may just price themselves out, as there are better and larger Stitch figures currently available from Yumi and Popmart. But for now, that's all we have time for.
Touching me! She's touching me!
I'm not touching you.
You're touching me!
Not touching.
Touching me!
It's free air.